Hi, this is Steve Davis over at Total Wealth Academy, and this is Investor Tip Tuesday. The tip is that the numbers have to work or it's no deal. People will come to me and they'll go, it's got crown molding, it's got beautiful floors, it's got a beautiful kitchen, it's got a beautiful lot, it's in a great area. I don't care. Show me the numbers. Because there can be great deals in beat up neighborhoods, there can be great deals in medium neighborhoods, there can be great deals in fantastic neighborhoods. It's all about the numbers, because there can also be bad deals in the lower income neighborhoods, bad deals in the middle income, bad deals in the high income. It's all about the numbers. Keep emotion out of it. Don't get attached to any property and try to make it work because you think it's a nice property. The numbers work or the deal doesn't. It's that simple. So make sure that you know how to do a cash flow analysis. You have the software to do it, like the members of Total Wealth Academy have, and you analyze the deal objectively, keeping emotions out of it. Make sure the numbers work or do not do the deal. That's Investor Tip Tuesday. Thanks for watching.